Here I have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So that's how you can switch this mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding a finger on this button. You can so you can view some of its information about this mode, but unfortunately you have no other options of battery saving. You can only switch it, like switch it on or off. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.